You can see Cardenas off in the distance there. It's sort of to the left of that bay. Quite a spectacular bridge, which is just going to take us into the town of Matanzas. So it's the bridge itself, and it's a small river or bay heading over towards Matanzas there in the distance, and just heading to Hotel Velasco. And we are there. This is the main square of Matanzas. Spend some time, we'll walk around the main square here. Things are just hopping down here. Show the dog tricks.
Sit. Sit.
Beach dog tricks. That is the best pina colada ever. Beth thinks it tastes like 2, but I'm a little worried that we won't make it back to the
I
hotel.
still have to ride back. How many kilometers still?
It's only 20 kilometers, but I'm afraid you won't make it.
It's on the highway. I better be. I better be careful. Don't want to wobble in front of a truck.